One thing we found out that whenever we came to the campsite, we brought cast iron, but we didn't bring like the chainmail or any of the other things that one would use to clean it with. So Dee had a brilliant idea. Just wad up a piece of aluminum foil. Oops. Wad up a piece of aluminum foil, leaving it rough around the edges, and use that to scour the inside of it the same way you would chainmail. Everybody's got aluminum foil at a campsite. So whenever you take it down and wash it, you can scour it with that. I did it the other day once, and it really helped, really came in handy. So let's see how that works.